going on, everybody? Welcome back to another trout fishing tips video here at the channel. Today is all about trout fishing scents, and we're gonna go through the top 5 scents and include tips and tricks for what seasons and what conditions to fish each one of these to be more successful when you're out trout fishing on the water. When you're talking about trout fishing or fishing in general, you talk about the 3 S's, which are sight, scent, and sound. And when it comes to trout fishing, scent can be a really big difference between a really good day of fishing, a not so good day of fishing, and potentially a day where you get skunked and get nothing. Now coming in at number 5 are 2 different scents, which are salmon egg and cheese. So let's start with salmon egg first. Now I really like salmon egg all times of the year, especially salmon egg power bait flavored, as well as just regular salmon or trout eggs in general, to just put a couple on your hook, whether you're drifting in a little creek or a stream, or you're plunking off the bank. I like the salmon egg scent a lot in the late fall and the winter time, especially as the fish are sizing down on the bait size that they really want to go after. So salmon egg is a really good scent, as well as just using straight up salmon eggs and trout eggs can be a really good effective scent and bait to go after trout. Now let's talk about cheese. Now there's all kinds of cheese power baits, cheese dough, cheese gulp, which I've got here. I really like cheese throughout the year as well, but in particular, I really like cheese in the spring and in the summertime. And it seems that in the early parts of the morning and the later evening parts is when I like cheese the most. And in particular, my favorite cheese bait and flavor to go with is this Power Bait Gulp Chunky Cheese. And I like the chunky cheese when the weather is really starting to warm up and the water conditions and the temperature of the water is starting to rise a couple degrees in the morning, or overall in general as the weather starts to really warm up. Both of these scents can be really good in specific conditions in lakes, ponds, or streams when you're fishing these, and can be a really good day of fishing when you've got these on your hook. Now coming in at the number 4 scent is anise. I would consider anise a very underrated and a very underused scent when it comes to trout fishing. Over the last couple years, I've come to appreciate using anise as something completely different that no one else is using on really tough days of trout fishing to get that bite, especially in the spring, summer, and most importantly in the fall time frame when fish can be a little bit more finicky. Now the 2 ways that I like to fish with the anise is this anise krill oil from ProCure. Putting a little bit of dap on my power bait gives it a little extra scent boost that I really like, especially in the later afternoon and the evening times, but I'll use this at all times of the day. I've just found personally that the anise works really well in the afternoon time frame. And then what I've got here is the new anise scented power bait from Berkley that came out in late 2020. And I've been playing around with this a bunch and finding a lot of good success with this aniseed power bait. It just hit the market, and I would recommend that everybody go out and get a jar. They've got a ton of different colors to choose from. Grab one of these and start fishing this now in the early spring, in the summertime, in the fall, and even the winter time. Fish this all year around and see and find where this is most successful. So give aniseed a try. It's a very underutilized and I think underrated scent for trout fishing. So start adding it to your arsenal and start seeing some really good results with it. Now coming in at the number 3 trout fishing scent is gonna be nightcrawler scent. For the most part, most people just fish nightcrawlers straight on the hook and fling them out there underneath a bobber with some split shot off them. But I will say, if you start incorporating some sprays and some scents and some worms that have some nightcrawler scent on them into your profiles, whether you're trolling, whether you're casting spinners, maybe spray a little bit of this on your power bait, you're gonna start to see that the trout are really gonna go after that nightcrawler scent, especially when you tip some of your extra baits with nightcrawler. Now what I found in the late spring, but especially in the summer, this garlic nightcrawler spray from ProCure and Yakima Bait, whether you spray this on a rooster tail, a little bit on your power bait setup, or a little bit on your plugs if you're trolling, this nightcrawler scent can be a game changer. And we don't normally think of nightcrawler scent because typically we fish with nightcrawlers. But if you take this spray and put a little bit of it on your bait, or use some of these gulp nightcrawler worms and spray it with this scent, you can add a different profile, a different bait that the trout may not be used to, and you can have some days where you just absolutely crush the trout. Now for the number 2 trout scent, this is one that I've really fallen in love with the last couple years and found a lot of success throughout the different stages of the year when I'm fishing this, and that's gonna be corn scent. Now I've said on the channel and in a lot of other videos, I like corn a lot, because at the fish hatcheries, they're feeding them a cornmeal based food when they're getting the trout into the size where they can stock them, or they're building trophy sized trout to stock them in the lake or ponds wherever you live. And I also like corn a lot, especially when places have recently been stocked and in the spring and summer and a little bit into that early portion of the fall. But in particular with corn, that early spring bite, I'm going with corn a lot of times, whether it's the corn power bait, you got gulp corn here, you got corn out of the can that you can use. You can even use corn extract and tip your baits a little bit. And when it comes to corn, some of my best days from the last couple years have been solely running corn the entire day. So ensure that you've got some in your tackle box and you've got some backup at home in case you run out like I have on the water. Don't ask me how I know. Now, the number one trout fishing scent is a scent that I run all the time, no matter what time of the year, no matter what time of the day, no matter what the conditions. I just feel that garlic is the best trout fishing scent, and here's why. Now, when it comes to trout fishing, I'm baiting my hook with something that has garlic on it at least once on every single trip out. Now, the reason I love garlic the most is because you can get the most consistent bites and you can have the most epic days fishing with garlic. And the reason being is when the water and the conditions are starting to warm up in the spring, all the way into the summer, and even on those fall days when the sun peaks out and that water temperature just increases a couple of degrees, that garlic scent can really attract the trout, especially from far distances. And I in particular love running garlic in the summertime. As I said with Nightcrawler, garlic is my number one scent when it comes to those hot, humid summer days, and especially plunking in deeper water, garlic is gonna get the fish's attention, and that attraction gets, I think, more hookups and bites than any other scent. Now, for me, I've got garlic in different forms. I've got spray, I got gels, I got other gels with UV, and I've even got garlic flavored power bait. Make sure you got some garlic scent and then just be prepared because it could be some epic days out on the water. Now, if there's some other trout fishing scents that you're looking for that might be out of the ordinary that you want to fish with, here's a few bonus ones that I really like. The first one is the Nymph Purple Power Bait here, and I really like this nymph flavor in the summertime when the bugs are hatching. Now, I like to fish this nymph power bait a couple different ways. One is off the bottom, either with a short leader or a longer leader with a corky to get it raised higher up into the water, closer to the top where the fish might be breaking and eating bugs and flies. The second way is below a bobber. Now, power bait below a bobber isn't traditional, but I really like this, especially when you've got trout that are busting the surface and eating bugs. It's a really, really nice addition to summer trout fishing that you should add to your arsenal. Another couple scents that I like here is some shrimp and some trophy trout spray scent from Rooster Tail and ProCure. And if I'm having some tough days, I'll go to each one of these scents and give them a try, and some days it's been the difference and helped me catch a trout or two and go home with some pictures and some trout rather than getting blanked. And then finally, I got some Potski Fire Gel, and I really like to dip this in some power eggs, some power bait, some night crawlers, the different baits that I'm throwing out there. This gel can be really, really effective at all times of the year, but I really like it in the winter time. So start using this in the winter time and start seeing your winter trout fishing catch and hookup ratio increase by a bunch. All right, and that's my top 5 trout fishing scents and some bonus scents to help you guys catch more trout when you hit the water. I hope you guys learned some additional tips and information to help you utilize these scents the best way possible when you hit the water, no matter what time of the year chasing trout. So hit the like button on the video, guys. Subscribe if you love trout fishing tips, and other outdoor content. And as always, guys, the outdoors is a gift. Share it with others.